front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on About Phone section available at the bottom and hit device name. Now you can type in whatever you want to, like Sunny, and hit OK to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!